What's up, YouTube family? It is John VenomousComics here. Another episode. This is part 2 of the Dangerous Divas from Marvel. And we're going to do the left side of the box. The right side, those are empty packs over there. We did the right side. I scored my first sketch card there. Still haven't figured out who that is. Some flaming female, for sure. We got some Madame Mask. A Sin foil. And then we got this awesome She-Hulk here. This is an archive. Oh, come on. There we go. It's a archive card. So that's a cut from a comic, which is pretty awesome. I'm totally digging that one for a chase card. And I'm excited to see what else I have going in here. So if you like this kind of thing, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't, of course. And share the video. Also, hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I do some more videos. Do a lot of comic book videos here, also card videos, and I'm ready to rip some packs open as long as you are. All right, so we're gonna go with the first one. Right on the top, first of the 12. Got Medusa, Abyss, and an awesome Captain America gold foil here. Let's check out the other cards. I'll bring that one back out in a second. Chimera, it's a cool card. And Smasher. Alright, let's check this thing out. Pretty cool Captain America foil. What's it say on the back? Oh, and it is numbered 24 of 75. That's pretty awesome. Dexter Soy, card number 33. That is super cool. Alright, let's throw that over there. Go ahead and pack number 2. We got Colleen Wing, Hazmat, Diamondback, and Celine. It's pretty wild artwork on that one. And what else we got? Angelina. Angelina. I wonder if that is the Angelina originally from Spawn and now moved to Marvel. That would be a good one to know. Pixie. Crimson Cowl. What is this? This is a canvas card. Definitely a canvas card. Come back to that one in a second. Oh, it's like a foil. Red She-Hulk. That's pretty cool. And Maria Hill. And let's go back to this card. So at first it looked like a canvas, but it definitely has a shimmer to it. Let's see what it says on the back here. This is Valkyrie, MM6. I like Valkyrie, for sure. I'm hoping to see some more Valkyrie stuff in the MCU, for sure. Those are some fun chase cards there. Vienna Blova Black Widow, we saw that one in the last break. And I'll put the link down in the description down below for part 1. Mary LeBeau, that's also another. Oh, got a Gamora. That's pretty cool artwork on that one. Madeline Pryor, we've seen that one. And Elektra, that's my first Elektra card. Pretty decent. I guess once you put all these in the binder, the back of the cards are going to make a picture. I'm not sure if I'm going to put them in a binder. I think I'll probably just sleeve them, put them in a box. Whatever ones I'm not going to send out to SGC. Argilite. Let's do this. And Black Widow. That's pretty cool. Dark Phoenix. Anna Karenov. And Madame Mask, who is that character back there. Now I know who she is. All right, we got some Boundless, Scorpina, Magic. It's almost got an anime feel to it. Death Locket, and Captain Marvel. Excellent. Captain Marvel. Not a bad pack. No chase cards in that one, but some good characters. Stunner. Rogue, so that's a double. And what is this? We got a green foil of Dark Angel. That's pretty awesome. It's at 82 of 100. So that's a numbered card. So I guess the green foils are numbered. Wow. That's a nice hit. Come on. Go. And Shriek. And another Wasp. Alright, so those were a couple of doubles. We saw those in the first video. Alright, we got another Misty Knight. That's double. Domino's a double. Lyra, I think is a double. Polaris. I want to say that my sketch card is Polaris. And Storm, that's also a double. Alright. Couple more packs here. And the first box will be done. Alright, Tarantula. I do like the artwork on that card. That is a double though. Umar, I think that's also a double. Jet Black, we've seen her. Asp, we've seen her. And Enchantress. Alright, so I think that pack was all doubles. Must be a short base set, because usually you get a whole base set in a full box of the Rittenhouse stuff. Scotty, Moonstone, White Rabbit. Wow, these are all purples. Songbird and Mayhem. Interesting. Alright, 2 more packs left. What else are we going to get here? Skyrim, Breaker of Men. Jagasta, haven't seen that one. And a Black Cat, cool. So we haven't gotten one of those yet. Spiral and Spider Woman. That's a pretty nice card. Alright, last pack. Are we going to get any type of chase card here? Oh my goodness, what is going on? Get any type of chase card, or are we done with the chase cards? Let's find out. Last pack. Maybe a little bit of magic here. The magic wave. Alright. Got Motormouth. Silk. Oh, that's cool. Haven't pulled that one yet. And Lady Bullseye. And Red Sin Red Skull. And another female Wookiee. Alright, so no chase card in the last pack, but it's still alright. Definitely got some cool cards here. This is probably one of the best ones. This Dark Angel is pretty awesome. We find numbered 82 out of 100. So a nice numbered card there. That is a really nice Valkyrie card. Just an MM6, not numbered. I really like the art on that. I might have to send that one off. And then this awesome Captain Marvel. Gold foil. 24 out of 75. So that's a rare one. Nice. One other thing I wanted to point out, all the base cards, the last one, you can kind of see some of them are kind of messed up in the corners. Flip to this side and they're pretty straight. So you never know what you're going to get fresh out of the box. Definitely some corner damage on that side. And like I said, this box had not been damaged when we were looking at it before we tore it open. I inspected it pretty good. Didn't look like it had any major hits on it. So could be factory. The cutting machine, although there's no real white marks on them. And even the damaged cards, like this one. This is pretty damaged on the top. Well, let's see if we can zoom in on this. You can kind of see the corner damage there. There's no, a little bit of shininess. But all right, guys, that's it for my video today. Please drop me a like and comment below. What's your favorite card out of the chase cards that we picked here? And I will catch you on the next one. See ya.